Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Welcome to day number 5 of our sourdough starter. Let's open the cupboard up and see what we got here. Oh, hello. Looks like we have had a rise there. It's seeped out if you see that there. Put that down. Yeah, I think we have. See that there? Looks like it's come over and it's went back down again. Let's have a look what we got down here. So again, let's make some other videos. Oh, yeah, we're developing some of that hooch again, but you see the bubbles in there? Doing really well. That's good stuff, that hooch. That one not so much. It's developing again, but look, there's a booming in there. Doing very well. It's come up a little bit as well, just a little bit. So there, I mean, it doesn't sort of say it. That looks great. So as I mentioned yesterday with this hooch, you can either discard it or stir it in. The hooch will provide a more flavour, more sour to it. And it smells really good too. And it's starting to get that little whiff, and it's pungent smell. It's kind of, I guess, old sock smell, I guess you would call it. It's starting to get that now, so it's progressing very well. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So this is day 5, so we've still got another 2 days left to go. But as I mentioned before, you're not going to see massive amounts of rise in all this. Very flaccid days, in fact. That looks good. So we're going to go and do another feed again. I'm going to take a bit of that out and we'll feed it again. And we'll come back tomorrow. So tomorrow will be day 6. I'm hoping to be a little bit more rise for day 6, but we'll see how we go. I'm not going to be too fussed if it isn't. But it is doing very well at the moment, so I'll see you again tomorrow for day 6. And we'll see how it goes. So check it out tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.